Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track changes in Google Sheets step by step. Tracking changes allows you to see who edited your spreadsheet, what was changed, and when the changes were made. So let's get started. First, open the Google Sheet you want to review. Next, click File in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, hover over Version History. Then click See Version History. A panel will appear on the right side of the screen showing the history of changes made to the spreadsheet. Each version is organized by date and time. You'll also see the names of users who made changes if the spreadsheet is shared with others. Click on any version to view the changes made during that edit session. Google Sheets will highlight the cells that were modified so you can easily identify what changed. If you want to keep an important version for future reference, click the three-dot menu next to the version. Then select Name this version. Enter a descriptive name and press Enter. This makes it easier to find important versions later. You can also restore a previous version if needed. Simply select the version you want and click Restore this version at the top of the screen. Google Sheets will revert the spreadsheet to that version while still keeping the newer versions available in the history. For tracking changes in a specific cell, right-click the cell and select Show Edit History. A small window will display previous edits made to that cell along with the editor's name and timestamp. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to track changes in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.